In this video, I'll explain the trading fees on XT exchange. First, the spot fee for traders is 0.2%. For futures, it's 0.04% for makers and 0.06% for takers. For example, if you trade $1 million on XT with 0.04% fee, you'd pay $400 in fees. For takers with 0.06% fee on $1 million volume, you'd pay $600 in fees. Now I'll show you how to get a fee rebate. 30% daily. When signing up for XT, just use ref code CAD20 or click the link below this video. You'll get a 30% rebate. See here? When you register for XT, just enter it below and you'll get a 30% fee refund. After applying my referral code, the fees are reduced to 0.14% for spot, 0.028% for futures loss, and 0.042% for futures profit. With these rates, a $1 million trading volume would cost much less in fees. You'll lose $280 in fees, but get $100 and $120 back. For $1 million volume at 0.042%, you'd pay $420 in fees, but get $280 refunded. As you can see, the refund is substantial. If you want to explore other exchanges, check the link below. I've listed many like BitMax, Debson, BitGet, Getio, CoinEx, Bybit, Mexi, OKX, Binance, KuCoin, and BitMEX. For details on unlisted exchanges with fee refunds, contact me via email, Telegram, or Facebook.